You've probably seen Ryze mushroom coffee ads everywhere, promising calm energy, laser focus, improved gut health, and even better sleep with just one cup. And with over 10,000 reviews and a 4.7-star rating. It sounds almost too good to be true, but does it really deliver? After taking a close look at Ryze superfoods, the first thing to know is that the marketing claims don't line up with actual clinical dosages of the mushrooms they use, meaning the benefits advertised are likely exaggerated. On top of that, the National Advertising Division previously forced Ryze to retract or adjust some of their claims quietly, which raises questions about transparency and credibility. When you break down the cost, the product isn't cheap, and considering the ingredient amounts are minimal, it could be seen as overpriced compared to other mushroom coffee options that provide similar or higher concentrations. Subscription practices are another concern. Hundreds of customers have reported difficulties canceling or unexpected charges, indicating the process isn't as straightforward as advertised. Looking at the labels, it's clear that exact ingredient amounts are highlighted, so you might not actually know how much of each mushroom you're getting, which makes it hard to assess real effectiveness. On the consumer side, while some people feel mild benefits, many reviews point to billing frustrations, delayed responses from customer support, or confusion over product claims, which can leave buyers feeling misled. Overall, Ryze mushroom coffee has a strong marketing presence and a loyal following. But when you dig deeper into dosages, labeling, subscription policies, and real-world customer experiences, it becomes apparent that the product may not fully match the hype, leaving potential buyers to weigh whether the convenience and brand reputation are worth the price and the uncertainties involved.